Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Thank you for the opportunity to possibly speak at your upcoming event on generational communication. Given the rapidly changing demographics of the workforce, this presentation has become more and more popular and useful lately. Over the years, my clients have used many titles or themes to address the issue of generational communication, communicating across the generations at work, connecting and communicating in a multi-generational workplace, and generational communication bringing out the best in each other. If you are a young manager, how do you establish credibility? If the older employees have most of the good jobs in your organization, how do you keep your younger people around? If you are significantly younger than everyone else on the team, how do you get people to listen? With 4 or 5 different generations converging on the workplace, every day, everyone needs to be equipped with the practical strategies to deal with the differences. This highly interactive presentation will cover the facts and fiction of each generation, the unique strengths and weaknesses of each generation, and how to communicate effectively with each generation at work. I would love to have the opportunity to have a deeper conversation with you about this interactive presentation and really customize something that is exactly what you are looking for and exactly what your audience needs. It would be fun to work together on your upcoming event.